Welcome back to a complete guide on how to use Google Translate to translate documents, text, images, as the case may be, or even website without any stress. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. Then what you want to do here is to come to the address bar right here. Go ahead and type in Google Translate and hit enter. And it's going to take you right here. Next thing you want to do is to come down right here. Go ahead and click on this result right here. Translate.google.com. Click on that and it's going to open up like so. Then you have detected language right here, which is English or Spanish or Arabic right here, and then you have translated right here. Now, how can you use under the text sections right here? Go ahead and make sure you choose your detected typing language right here. Let's say, for instance, you want to type in English, so make sure you select English. Then you can go ahead and type in how to use Google Google Translate, just like so. So when you type in English right here, it automatically translates to the language you choose right here, just like so. However, you can switch from different language right here. You can decide to switch to Spanish language, so it automatically translates it into Spanish language within a few seconds right here, just like what you see right here. Then you can go ahead and click on here. This allows you to see so many different languages like you can translate into right here. So let's, for instance, I want to translate to this language right here. I'm going to click on it, and in a few seconds, it's going to translate to that particular language. After you satisfy with the language, after the translation, go ahead and click on copy translation right here, and then you can go to go. So basically, this is how to use Google Translate for text translation. You can use the text from one text to another translation language. So if you are not the type that speak English language, maybe you speak in Spanish, so go ahead and click on your Spanish right here and choose your translation. If you speak Arabic, go ahead and click on Arabic right here and then go ahead and type in Arabic and it's going to automatically translate. However, you can click on here. This allows you to see so many languages right here. There are a lot of languages right here. So just choose anyone you speak right here and it's going to be successfully added. Then from there, you can type in the language while it translates to another language right here. Just like what you see right here. So that is for text under Google Translate. Okay, let's go ahead and see how you can translate images in Google Translate. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and make sure you navigate to images tab right here. So when you navigate to images tab, you have to set your language in images and then you set your translation language to images. Like for instance, I choose English right here. Okay, so when I choose English, then I'm going to translate to Spanish right here. So select Spanish. The next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and upload the image sample. So I'm going to go ahead and click on browse your file right here. So when you click on browse your file, then you have to select the image uh, from your from your download folder or anywhere you have it on your PC. So I'm going to select this particular image right here, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to select this image right here. I'm going to go ahead and hit open. Then in a few seconds, it's going to start recognize the image, text from the image, and instantly translate into Spanish, just like what you see right here. Now, this is the translated into Spanish. So if I click on here now, it's going to show side by side. So we have original language right here, which is in English language, and as detected right here, and it has successfully translated to Spanish language. So I can switch to another language right here. I can switch to Arabic, and let's see the result in a few seconds. It's going to recognize the text and successfully translate it into Arabic, just like what you see right here. One great thing here is that you can easily download the translation. Go ahead and click on download the translation, and it's going to be successfully downloaded as PNG. Go ahead and click on save. Then we can open the image in our PC. So I'm going to go ahead now and click on here just to open the image. Just like so, we have the image right here and everything remain unchanged. So this is for Arabic translated and successfully downloaded, and this is the preview on the image right here. And one great thing about this is that we can click on copy text right here, and the text is going to be copied in Arabic. And basically, this is how to use image translation in Google Translate. You can translate from one original language to multiple different kind of language that you have right here. And choose any language right here, and it's going to give you the kind of result you are looking for without any stress. So let's go ahead and take a look on how you can easily translate documents from one language to another language using your Google Translate. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on document right here. So here, under the documents, the supported document type here is Docs, PDF, and PowerPoint or Microsoft Excel. These are four major type of documents you can add right here. Like for instance, I have a document right here. So this particular MS Word right here, I'm going to change this into another language. Just like what you see right here, everything here was written in English, and I want you to change to any other language for free. So I'm going to go ahead and minimize. The next thing I'm going to do here is to go ahead and so right here, before we can translate, we need to make sure we choose our detected language. My detected language is English language right here. So if your own is not English, you can choose different other language right here. So I'm choosing English, and I want to translate into, let's take a look at another language right here. I'm going to translate to Hindi right here, just like so. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on Browse Your File. So I'm going to click on Browse Your File, then I'm going to go ahead and select my file, which is this, and click on Open. Then go ahead and click on Translate. And in a few seconds, it's going to recognize the text and then successfully translate right here. I'll go ahead and click on Download Translation. Then I'll go ahead and click on change the file name to Hindi right here. Hindi. Okay. Then I'll go ahead and click on Save right here. Just like so. Next thing I'm going to do is to open up the download file right here. So I'm going to click on here just to load the, so you can see it automatically load. We have the English version right here, and let's take a look at the Hindi file just like so. So we can go ahead and click on Enable Editing right here. So we have it being translated successful from English language to Hindi language without even affecting the layout, and everything still remains intact in the document, just like what you see right here. Okay, let's go back to Google Translate right here. So I'm coming back to my Google Translate. So it's that simple. Now, how do you use Google Translate to translate website right here, which is the next tab right here? Like for instance, if you visit different kind of website and then they have different kind of languages that you do not understand and you still want to know much about the site. I'm going to use a site as an example right here. So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I click on here to create a new tab. Next thing I'm going to do here to activate my Google Translate on web page. So first thing first, come down below right here, go ahead and click on Customize Chrome. And this is going to open up right here. Scroll down right here until you get to toolbar. Then from toolbar, what you need to do here is to go ahead and look for Translate right here, Translate button, turn it on. Once you turn it on, you have it from the top right here. Go ahead and click on here to close this tab. Then once we activate our Google Translate, we come to the address bar right here. Let's say, for instance, I go to this particular website, cnexpo.cnn.com. So let's take a look at the site. So here we go. Take a look at this particular website right here. Everything on this site here was written in Spanish, which is Spanish language right here. And as for me, as an English spoken, I will not be able to understand what is written right here. And that is here you come with using your Google Translate after you are successfully activated. Just like what you see from the top right here, what you need to do is to go ahead and click on Google Translate right here. Just go ahead and come to the top right here. Go ahead and click on this icon. You have Spanish. Then go ahead and click on English language right here. And in a few seconds, everything will be successfully translated. Try again, and everything will be successfully translated to English language right here. Just like what you see right here. However, you can choose another language from these sections here. For that, come back to the translation right here. Click on these three dots. Then click on choose another language. Click on here. Then you have a lot of different languages right here. Whatever language you choose right here is going to be automatically translated the whole web page. Like for instance, if I want to translate it into German, I'm going to select German, click on translate, and in a few seconds, everything right here translated to German without any stress. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about how best to use Google Translate, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.